Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a room partition with organic ornament. Okay, first of all we have to make circle plane in this position. You can set any size as you want, maybe around 165 millimeter for the radius, and then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can duplicate it to the 4 position in this area, and this area of each corner area actually. Then we have to move and duplicate it. We have to move and duplicate it with a radius distance, and we can just move it with a radius distance 165. Then we can duplicate it again with radius and then we can move again with typing on your keyboard, and then we can just select this and move and press Ctrl. We can type 165 and type again 165 again. Okay, and after that we can offset of each circle. We can offset of the 4 circle only to the inside. Anyway, we can offset it inside around maybe of 50 millimeter. We can offset it 50 millimeter, and then we can offset it also 50 millimeter, and then we can offset it also 50 millimeter. Then we can offset it also 50 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just select all, and then we can select right click and explode it. Okay, and then we can just erase some unnecessary object underline with the erase tool, just following this step. So we got the center circle right here, and then we can just we have to make a rectangle in the another side. We can just make a rotated rectangle 380 millimeter and 380 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can just make a line right here. Okay, then we have to move and duplicate it into the center of the rectangle position, and then we have to move and select Control. Then we can just position on this midpoint. Then we can delete some unnecessary object with erase tool. Okay, just follow this step to erase some unnecessary line and object, and then we can just select this plane and select this plane, and then right click and just erase it. So it about the basic shape of the organic ornament on the room partition. Okay, and after that we can just delete it because it unnecessary object again, and then we can push it up around maybe 15 millimeter. Then we can just right click, select all. We can select all and right click and make it group, and after that we have to make it component, just create it, and then we have to duplicate it to the another position. Just click from this corner of component to the corner of component and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Just left click and then type then you can type 5 x5 and enter. Okay, so it will be a perfect arrangement of the duplication. Okay, and then we can select all. Then we can select the outer cell. Okay, and then we can right click and make it component again and just create it. I'm sorry, we have to change the name, maybe around flower component. Okay, and then we can just create it, and then after that we have to rotate it to the vertical to be parallel with the blue axis. The way to rotate with just click this object and select this tool, rotate, then aim into the green axis and then just rotate it. Okay, so it will be rotated with the blue axis, and then we can rotate it again to make folded folded arrangement of the room partition, and then we can move and select control and aiming from the green axis, and then we can rotate it again. We can rotate it, okay, maybe like this, and then we can just move and select this. Okay, and after that we have to select both of component and select move and select control. Then we can position on this corner and just type x3 maybe. Okay, so it had been finished. About how to make a room partition with organic ornament, and then we can just select all to explore the material or surfaces. And we can select this color by wood option and wood veneer number 1, so it would be impressive look at this room partition with the organic ornament. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you by this video, and wait for my next video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.